Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to react to a sticker in WhatsApp on your PC. Let's get started. To begin, open WhatsApp on your PC. Launch the application and log in with your credentials. Next, navigate to the chat section where you want to react to a sticker. Once you're in the chat, locate the sticker message you want to react to. Right-click on the sticker message to bring up the context menu. From the context menu, choose the reaction you want to express. WhatsApp offers a variety of reactions to choose from, such as like, love, laughter, surprise, and more. Select the one that best represents your response. After selecting your reaction, it will appear on the sticker message, indicating your response to it. Reacting to stickers in WhatsApp on your PC is a fun way to engage with your contacts and add more personality to your conversations. That's all for today's video on how to react to a sticker in WhatsApp on your PC. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.